from the Garud to Mahaprabhu, there will be everybody will be there. And last it has happened, you can see here, they have written last it has happened in 1905. 1905 को वो हुआ था, उसके बाद हुआ नहीं है बोलते हैं। नमस्कारम, जय जगन्नाथ। आज हम ये बुक है, बुक लॉन्चिंग है श्री श्री महाप्रभु का महावेश। इट्स लिटरल मीन्स महाप्रभु जितना भी उनका रूपम, जो उनका जो वेश है, उनका ड्रेसेस है, उनका एक ह्यूमन फॉर्म है जो, क्योंकि जगन्नाथ जी यहाँ पे ब्रह्म के रूप मीन्स ब्रह्म है जो कि ह्यूमन के रूप में सारी चीज़ वो सिखाते हैं। एक बुक है उनका, सारे लीला, मानव लीला एंड पूरे का पूरा दिखाने के लिए। इसमें आपको सारे बेसों मिलेगा और उसका बेसों का क्या क्या है, उसका मीन्स क्या बोलते हैं उसको, उसका मीनिंग क्या है, क्यों उसको रखा जाता है उसका इंग्लिश में। एंड यू कैन सी दिस वन कॉल्ड अबोकासो बेसो, जो कि नहाने के टाइम पे ये मीन्स पहनाते हैं। उसके बाद ये रहा सुना वैसा विथ ए गुड पिक्चर विथ इंग्लिश एंड ओडिया बोथ आर देयर। एंड यू कैन सी दिस वन डालो कालिया नित्य डालो कालिया beso, and this everything you can find. This one is a main one. This one called Raghunath Vesa in the form of Rama. You can see here with everything like means the bear and that the nose, everything is there. Means this is the purest form of like Ramchandra. This is the biggest base, means from the Garud to Mahaprabhu, there will be everybody will be there. And last it has happened, you can see here, they have written last it has happened in 1905. 1905 को वो हुआ था, उसके बाद हुआ नहीं है बोलते हैं कि उसके मीन्स 4 से 5 करोड़ लोग आते हैं उस टाइम पे देखने के लिए। राज प्रवेश एंड चंदन लगेश, देर आर मेनी एवरी with a oil paint and with a good paper. You can see it. And if you are a devotee of this one called Nagarjuna Vesa, which we have, this is the oldest one. We have made it. We have made for every murti you can get from us. This Nagarjuna Vesa with everything. See, one snake will be there. And snake, this one snake they have made it. This is the furious form, the intense form of Mahaprabhu, like a warrior. This one Padma Vesa, the lotus Vesa with English. You can see everything is there. And not only the bases, you can find the different type of foods of Mahaprabhu. This is the Sradha Vesa. And you can find here the different foods, what is told in one temple, how to make type of foods. Everything, not everything. Our new book is coming. You can see with the history of Lord Jagannath. We are just doing some research, and we are waiting for some fund to sponsor because it's a big project. You can see every Vesa, and in English also it is written, and what is called, and the one of the like who are the main members of of temple, who are the main responsibility they have. Here is the Adi Shankaracharya, Jagadguru Shankaracharya, and he's the king. And here during Nabhakalevara, and many things are there, how to choose the woods. You can see the Sudarshan Daru, where it was there, no, there they have found a snake was guarding the tree. This happened 2015 only, 2015 it has happened. Still now Lord is there here. This is the Kakadapur Mahamangala Mandir temple, the Devi Mangala temple, where she guides where the Daru is. Here you can see this is the wood last time they made for Lord Jagannath Mahaprabhu's that tree. This is I think Balabhadra Devas, and many things are there from 2015. This is the latest one. You can find, you can see how it is, and what other thing they saw. Here King Cobra in presence near the Dibya Mahadaru Viksha, Mahaprabhu's Viksha, they found it. And here you can see the 1990 in 1996 they found a sunk on that tree. They this everything is guided by Devi Mangala, and we will come with a new episode हम आएंगे तो with some good pictures, and पूरा जो नीति है उनका पूरा उसके साथ आप देख सकते हैं। तो अगर आप ये बुक चाहते हैं, ये हमारा सुना वैसों का जो चीज़ है आपको देख सकते हैं। अगर आप ये बुक चाहते हैं आप हमको कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। हमारा तो नया बुक आ रहा है, मगर आई सॉ दिस बुक, हमने देखा बहुत अच्छा बुक था, सबके लिए सही होगा बोल के मैं इसको लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ। इफ़ यू लाइक इट, आप हमको कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, हमारा नंबर्स वगैरह डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगा। हमारा वेबसाइट भी www.justcalling.com एंड व्हाट्सअप एंड कॉल के लिए आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं। हमारा नंबर 7978964242 एंड the other some photos from the oldest time, like this is the 1868, this food for temple, this is 1892 and 92 and 92. There are many things are there, and you can find this book here. So and please subscribe our channel and get update from us. Bye. Jai Jagannath.